Hello everyone, my name is Leticia and I will explain how to get started with Sugar CRM. To log in, first we will check our email because the admin will have sent us a link with the username and the password on it. So we introduce our username and our password and we just click the login button. First thing we see here is the home page, and we see it's divided like in two parts. On the left we can see our data such as calls, meetings, campaigns, opportunities, accounts or leads. And we can switch this dashlet however we want, because maybe for me it's more important my meetings than my calls, so I want my meetings to show in the first place. And we can also add any dashlets by clicking here. Or remove any of them if you are not using them. Just we remove and no try again. If we want to add, we just click here again. So in the right side we see the activity stream. It acts like a internal Twitter within the company, and here we can follow all users and activities. So we can see who creates new leads or who add new contacts. And we can also post comments or we can reply other users' activities. Okay, so next module we are gonna talk about is the leads module, and we can access the leads by through the sales group or through the marketing group. So just go ahead and click leads. So leads are early contacts in the sales process. From this module we can create, manage and track sales leads or unqualified opportunities along with related activities, sales campaigns and history. So to create a lead we just click here, create, and we see all the information we can fill. So just go ahead and click and create one. We just have to add all information like just like email address, and also here we can like choose the status, like if it's a new lead, if it's already assigned to someone, if it's in process, convert or recycle. Let's see, it's assigned to someone. How we get these leads, we will say like from existing customer. We can also add like some descriptions, and we can relate it to a campaign too if we want to. So maybe we throw a campaign and we get these leads because of that. So just search for the campaign here, and let's say we get it from this one. So yeah, and also to assign a lead, by default is assigned to yourself, I mean the user who create the lead, but we can assign anyone. So maybe yeah, we can assign her and say, oh sorry, just click save, and we will have create our new lead. Okay, so this is the lead module and this is our new lead, and we can see here all the overview information or more information about the lead and everything. And also we can see activities related to the lead, the history, and also the campaigns. So the activities will be like new tasks, we can schedule a meeting for them, also log a call or even compose an email. And in the history part we can upload documents here. We can archive some emails related to these leads or just view the summary. Whenever you need to convert the leads, Sugar enables you to convert these leads into contacts, opportunities or accounts after you have evaluated and qualified them. So we'll click here, convert lead, and now now the lead is gonna be a contact, so we can associate like with an account. So we just go here, let's associate with Hollywood dinner, and we will save. So now this lead is gonna be on the contacts module, and is gonna be related to Hollywood account. So we click here, and it's gonna just get us to the contact homepage. See, so now it's a contact. So a contact is any individual who is a valid sales lead. So for example, with this lead, we have evaluate him and assess for a possible sales opportunity. And we have we have also related to this account, like Hollywood dinner, and we have the same dashboards that we have before, like activities, history, documents, opportunities. We can see here that before it was a contact, it was a lead, and we also have like new things, like we get this contact through this campaign, and we have new dashboards like bags. This for like if some software views or cases. We have also direct reports and also projects associated to this contact. We also have the option to import our contacts from a CSV file. So maybe you have your contacts in an Excel file. So we just go here, import contacts is the same process for accounts. Choose our file and click next. We can download the import file template, so we know how is the format, and we just can follow it. Let's see. Yeah, so here is the contact format, right? For example, we can, here is all the information that we can like add to Sugar CRM. So we're gonna try and upload this one again. So we just save, we just click continue, we close this, yeah, save. Okay, so now choose file, we're gonna go to downloads. Okay, so here's the new file, contacts, and it will recognize each. This is like a preview, but it will recognize every field you have in your, like we see here, all the fields you have, so it can associate with a field in Sugar CRM. So we just will go here and click next, and it will start creating the contact. Just click import now, and it will do it for you. So we can also create from a contact like a virtual card. A virtual card they are electronic business cards that are exchanged through applications such as email or web browser. So Sugar CRM can do this for you. So we just have to go here, click this icon, and it will download the business card, so you can add to your agenda, and your address book or wherever you want. So next module we're gonna see it's accounts module. So an account contains your customer information such as name and address, and each account can be associated with other records such as opportunities and contact. For example, we just associate the new contact we create with this account. So let's see. We have all the information here, the overview. If we want to add more information, who is assigned to this account, all the activities we have with this account, like calls, meetings, the history also. We have here some emails we achieved, all the contacts for this account, and some opportunities too. So as we see, we have all the information related to this account in just one screen. So yeah, it's a pretty good chance. Next module is opportunities. An opportunity specifies like the estimated amount of a sales deal and is tied to a sales stage. So let's go back to this one, associated with the account we are working on. So to create an opportunity, we just click here, opportunity name, new sales, 2,000 units. So account name is gonna be Hollywood again, so we just go ahead, click select, and search for the account. Expiry date close, let's say it's gonna be a couple weeks from now. Types, existing business, and we can specify the sales stage here. So based on this stage, the probability is gonna change. So let's say we're like already in the proposal and pricing code, so the probability to close the deal is gonna be 65%. If we go to close one, it's gonna be 100. So you see how this works, right? No campaign, so we just click here. Amount, let's say $20,000, and just go ahead and save your changes. So as we see now, we create the new opportunity, and we can also relate projects, leads, contacts, and other documents, and if we have like some activities related to this. So we are gonna use the opportunity we just created to show some other models we have from CRM. For example, we can create the task. Let's do it. So yeah, we just fill out all information. We can have the description here, like prepare proposal, better price quote, contact name, who will we contact. So we just telling you, for example, is related to this opportunity, and priority variable, same meeting. So once we save, it's gonna appear in the activities. Here, so we have the status and everything. We can also schedule a meeting. The meetings are like price quote discussion, and it's gonna be plan related to this opportunity, and we're gonna schedule for May 9. It's gonna be a 1-hour meeting. Time is gonna be 3 p.m. We are gonna set a reminder. Yeah, location. So location, yeah, we will just have to type Los Angeles, for example, if we want, but we have the account information. So description, like review, price quote, place manager, and then we click save. So now we have our meeting created, but maybe more people is assisting to this meeting, so we just can edit and we can add more information. That's I'm going, but maybe more people is going, so we can add entities such as contacts from the account. So we just create a new contact for this account, so we're gonna add that one because it's gonna be also there. That's the manager. So yeah, by clicking here we will send the images through email. So we just click save. Now if I go to my calendar, here activities calendar, I'm gonna see that if we click week, I have here my meeting schedule, and everyone can see that this day I'm busy from this time. So in the shared calendars we can see, right? And here we will see like everyone calendar, so we can know if our manager is busy, if we can schedule an appointment for him, and so on. So we're gonna go back to our sales opportunity and continue exploring other models. For example, log call. If we need to, let's see, we have to contact the manager to schedule the meeting, so it would be meeting time schedule for the meeting. So we will call a couple days before. Time to hold the meeting. It's gonna be an outbound call. We're gonna set also a reminder, and yeah, okay, we can set the duration too. So in our calendar we will have these two, and it will appear as busy. So we just save, and as we see, all the activities are gonna be stored here in this section, so we can go back to them, or our team can see them and see what we're doing. It's all about collaboration in CRM. So yeah, okay, so now we're gonna go back to our account, and we're gonna see we have this new opportunity created. If we go to opportunities, here it is. So we have here who is assigned user and everything, and also we can see the history. For example, we have a note, we have also a meeting, and we have some emails related to this account. So also we can upload any document related to this account, and it will appear there, so anyone can see, and we can share with the, so for example, it's uploading, let's say it's related recent one, and we just go ahead, click save, and it's gonna be there. So now it's available for anyone who can see this account. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the email module, and here we can configure our mail account. We can create one or more personal mail accounts in Sugar to be our emails from external mail accounts, such as Google, Yahoo, or Hotmail, for example. So I have my mail account here. So all I did was I click settings. This is by default. I went to mail accounts, so we can click add. It's pre-filled, and add your information, which we will click done, and it will appear here. So this is type personal. We also have set up the outgoing mail server. In this case it's Gmail by default. So then we click done. We have to save the settings. So go back. So nice thing about this is, like, for example, if I receive an email associated to a contact with, let's say it's related to this opportunity we just created. So we just click import to Sugar, and a window will show up, and when we get here we can select the user is going to be assigned to. So let's say it's Amanda, and what is related to. So we said it's gonna be related to the opportunity we just create. So here it is, new sales, and we just click import to Super. So it's gonna import it, and now we are gonna go back to the sales opportunity, and we're gonna see that our email is stored there. Okay, so we get the status. So message number 1, import pass. We click OK. We go back to our opportunity. And we see that our email now is here. And with the assigned user and everything. Also, if in your company you have like a group email, you have to talk with your administrator, and he can configure this account, so everyone can like import the email from this account to different records. Until now we have talked about the sales group. Now we're gonna go ahead and start talking about the marketing, about campaigns, targets, and target lists. So we're gonna start with targets. We can define and add new target people or target companies for next campaign. So it's the same as contacts and accounts. We can import from an Excel file, or we can go ahead and create a new one. Fill the information, make sure if it's gonna be an email campaign, make sure the email is correct. So we can assign to people, same structure as before. So once we create our targets, we can associate some targets in a target list. So we just go ahead, marketing, target list. Let's create a new one, right? So it will be target list number 1. It's gonna be a default target list. Assigned to the user is gonna be me. And now here we can add people to this target list. So we can select from targets we created, we can select for contacts, for leads, from users, who we want this to be in this target list. So let's create target. Now let's select a target because we already have created. So yeah, let's go ahead and select this 5, right? Okay, click select, and they're gonna appear here. Also, we want to send to the contact we just created. Remember this one? So just select, click here, select. There we go. No leads, and I want also to be on the target list, so I can check if the emails are going through or not. Just click select, and I'm gonna choose my name. So this campaign will also send emails to me. Okay, so we have created our target list. Now we're gonna go ahead and create a campaign. We can go through the wizard, or we can go classic. So we're gonna go through the wizard because it's easier and it's really easy to do. You'll see. So we all have designed an email campaign, but you can choose also non-email or newsletter. So it's gonna be campaign. Wait. Start. So it's gonna be my campaign. Status is active. It's gonna start tomorrow. And it's gonna finish 24. You can also add some description. Name is name. Yeah, yes. New campaign, we can add whatever we want here. We just go ahead and click next. We can add our budget here, like $10,000, expected revenue, like 400. The actual cost, we'll estimate expected cost. We can say this later because we don't really know, and expected cost is 700. We can also type our objective. Go ahead and click next. We can create trackers, so we can add them on the email after this. So one thing we need to do is like the opt-out link. So subscribe link for people who doesn't wanna receive for emails anymore. We can also just visit. So we have our two trackers. Let's click next, and now we're gonna select the target list we just created. Remember what this one. Just click there. Go ahead, and finally we just save and continue. Okay, since it's a marketing email campaign, we will have to create the marketing email. So the name is gonna be, as usual, example. So anyone, the email account we want to send from address tables.com. Status is active, I would say. So it's gonna start tomorrow. Reply. We can also make it like reply to me, for example. Send, we choose the target list and which email template we want to. So since we haven't created the email template, we're gonna choose just the email one, and we're gonna click edit. This is an example I have here. So we can see here, we can add, we can say campaign, check out or services and promotions for this month, for example. Yeah, we can specify here if we're gonna like personalize. So we'll say like use the last name. We can say dear, and it's gonna insert this variable. So for each target it will change. Also we can insert the unsubscribe tracker. So go ahead, put it here, and also the visit us tracker. So we can see how many people is getting through the link. So insert there. You can specify the subject, check or services or IT services. Okay, so we just go ahead and save. So the email template would be that one. Go ahead and click next. And we can also send marketing email as a test, so it will go to the users, or schedule the email. We click finish, and we can schedule if you have like to send like a mass email campaign, for example. Maybe you'd rather to do it at night. Okay, so we schedule the email. We go ahead, click here. Yeah, here start date. Let's do it. that's it. So we have our campaign here, my campaign, and now we can send the tests. We can also select a test list here that we have already created. We can see who is in this test, so we can make sure that emails are going through how we want and the format is correct and everything. So go back to the campaign, and we will have to click send emails here, and just the emails will go through. And we can also view the status of our campaign. Once we have sent, the emails will show up here. Like for example, let me show you another campaign. Oh no, this is not. So if you're here, you will see the message that were sent, who viewed the message, and who the content created. And if you go here, see, we have like, because we said through this campaign we create the content we said before. So it's here. You can also see who suppressed by domain or by email address, who viewed the message, and who clicked through the link. All the information here. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the email section. Okay, so this is it for Sugar CRM explanation, and feel free to comment this video and rate, and if you have any questions or I can help you with something, just let me know. Okay, thank you.